I thank you very much, Chair Governing Council, our Chancellor. I would like to thank you very much for having inaugurated my brother, Professor Vincent Kakembo. Our guest of honor, you normally talk about a lot about the Mutima people. Today, we have surrounded you, the Jovo clan. I want to say that I'm also delighted to attend such an occasion for the first time. So I would like to thank God that I'm able to witness such. And for that, if you permit, our guest of honor, allow me to pledge to the congregation present, as mentioned in the protocol that was mentioned by the Chair Governing Council. I am pledging to all the people that were mentioned in the different leadership that I will provide under the Ministry of Social Services. I will provide guidance and I will provide support and all that it requires that Professor Kakembo and team deliver to have this institution taken to higher heights. As Professor is inaugurated in his second term, I would like to let you know that the ministry has a tall order to ensure that all the institutions that we lead in the ministry give education, education that is of high quality to Ssaabasajja's people. And that is what we are doing right now in this strategic plan 2023-2028, that in all our services, in as far as the social services is concerned, is that the education we give in all our institutions, MRIU of course inclusive, must be of high quality and must, cause everyone to go to school. And at this, I would like to thank the guest of honor, the Katikkiro of Buganda plus the cabinet. They have approved, the cabinet has approved, that we have education right from the grassroots. Of recent, we have now the spread out of the early childhood development institutions, so that at least each Ssaabasajja here present, you will testify to that there is grassroots education that will feed into primary, that will feed into secondary, tertiary institutions, and eventually feed into this chartered MRIU university. So with those brief remarks, I would like now to invite the Mukuma Damula to come